Welcome back to another episode of Raw and Real Finance. I am Rushank. I'll today take you through a detailed review of IDFC Bank savings account. I recently opened IDFC Bank account. I saw a lot of benefits with respect to this account and I thought I'll share with everyone for their benefits. So let's get started. As you see on the screen, I have made one table and where I have taken two types of account. One is a select account and second is a wealth account. When you activate your saving bank's account under this category, you get main debit card. On doing first transaction of more than 1000 on the main debit card, you get 2000 reward points in case of select account and you get 8000 points in case of wealth account. Similarly, you have to go and apply a RuPay tap debit card. You get similar points 2 and 8 on doing first transaction of over 1000. In totality, you will make 4000 reward points in case of select account and you will make 16000 reward points in case of wealth account. Now as per IDFC, one reward point is equal to 25 paisa. So basically net benefit you get is 1000 rupees in case of a select account and 4000 in case of a wealth account. Now this reward points you can redeem on IDFC platform for buying vouchers or buying your tickets as well. The good part of the IDFC account is you get monthly interest credits. There are very few players who give monthly interest credit. A small finance bank does give it, but not large banks. And the monthly interest rate in case of select can be 3 to 5%. In case of wealth, you can go from 5 to 7.25%. These rates of saving banks account are much higher versus the other normal banks. And there are spend-based lounge access as well, for which you have to spend more than 20,000 in previous month through the debit card. The monthly balance requirement in case of select account is 25,000 and in case of wealth account is 10 lakhs. I understand this is a small bank compared to HDFC, ICICI Bank, so please have that prudence while putting a balance into this account. Now let's come to the strategy part. How can you get the maximum benefit out of these accounts? So what I actually have done personally while opening these accounts, I've opened two accounts with IDFC, one for myself and one for my wife. One is select and second is wealth. The total benefit what I got as in joining is 5000 rupees as explained earlier. Now all the liquid money what we have between me and my wife, I have parked into a wealth account where I get a higher interest rates. As you can see on the chart, between 5 to 10 lakhs you get 5% and over 10 lakhs you get 7.25%. Just to make myself very clear, this is a cumulative interest rate. So for first 5 lakhs you will get only 3%, from 5 to 10 you will get 5% and over 10 lakhs you will get 7.25% for any balance. I have kept 25,000 in the select account because for me I want to keep my bulk of money in wealth account where I get the maximum benefit. So this is a way I am maximizing my benefit in terms of joining as well as interest rate. What I have done for all of my viewers, I have put a referral link in the description where you can apply IDFC account using our referral link and you can maximize the benefits for yourself. And here are a couple of screenshots where I have got the reward points. Now since you have decided to apply for IDFC account or you already have an IDFC account, here is a secret bonus tip what I'm sharing with you guys. You can use a debit card to make payment of your credit card. There are some platforms where you can do it like SBI UniPay, Canara Setu, PhonePe as well. And in some cases people have got reward points on making credit card payment. So you use your discretionary while using this card and let us know in comments what is working and what is not working. Nonetheless, it also helps you to meet the spend requirement so that you can get lounge access. I hope you will like this review on IDFC saving accounts and please subscribe to our channel for such interesting topics.